way I started, because I like the art in teaching, so I would take something I really don't like to teach that much, like Greek and Latin roots, because it was always like a mix and match, like on a worksheet or in a workbook, or it was boring to teach. So I would take a lesson that was a little bit harder and not so entertaining for me and make it a movement lesson. So I would take my time and think, okay, how can we start moving the kids? How can we make it fun so I have fun with it and the kids do? So I started creating movement around it. So we would go outside and they would pick up root words and words that would relate. So just reframing everything you do and challenging yourself, that would help. Changing your environment would help. So if you have a classroom that already has, for example, I have a cow skeleton in the corner, put that out there and it would create more questions, better questions to then talk about and teach the kids. So the cow skeleton came from a substitute teacher who saw my classroom that has changed quite dramatically after this training. So I now have a beautiful painting on my wall that shows natural setting of Colorado, because we teach Colorado plants that way, or animals, without it being a standard, but it's right there, so kids ask questions. I put some grass, fake grass down, and all that wasn't so expensive. We have tree logs in the classroom. And because he saw that, he hiked out and got all these bones for me and decided to bring it in. So now the kids have real bones to touch and to explore. And again, it pushes them into inquiry in the classroom.